Fine and dry weather continues over the eastern part of the country on Sunday, with a hot and windy day forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. But the big weather news at the moment is the wintry weather in the west, with another strong, large cold front moving in on Sunday, keeping that cloudy and wet weather in the forecast and also reinforcing the cold weather as we head into the start of the work week, with a series of cold fronts also bringing in the possibility of snowfall for the mountainous regions of the Cape provinces. Now, with the system, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for heavy rain over parts of the Western Cape, where we could see more than 50 millimeters of rainfall and localized flooding within the shade of red. They've also issued a warning for disruptive snowfalls over the southern high-lying regions of the Northern Cape on Sunday, with a warning of gale-force northwesterly winds throughout the Cape provinces as well as along the coast between Alexander Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Lastly, they've issued a warning for high seas along the coast between Alexander Bay and Cape Agulhas. Here's our rainfall probability map, with widespread showers expected over the southwestern part of the country, with up to a 60% chance of rain as we head up the west coast and further inland, and then isolated rainfall for parts of the eastern and northern Cape, and the possibility of snow for the mountainous regions of the Cape provinces by Sunday night. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see a mild day for Kimberley, Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, all at 21. Daytime highs head into the mid-20s for Gauteng, Bombela at 28 degrees, with a toasty Sunday for Richards Bay at 34, Pietermaritzburg topping 30 degrees in the afternoon. Much cooler though as we head south and west, with a bitterly cold day for De Aar and Cape Town at only 11, and Sutherland with a maximum temperature of only 3 degrees. As we head out to the coast, you'll see cloudy, wet and windy conditions resulting in poor beach weather across much of South Africa's coastline, with a 60 km/h northwesterly wind from Alexander Bay through to Longabon. And here's that warning of high seas with a 6-meter swell and wave heights between 8 and 10 feet. Similar weather as we head along the southwest coast, with a 60 km/h northwesterly wind for Cape Town and a 50 km/h westerly to northwesterly wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. And here we also have that warning of high seas with a 6-meter swell and wave heights between 8 and 10 feet. Along the south coast, we're expecting a northwesterly wind of between 50 and 55 km/h, cloudy and wet over this part of South Africa, with a 4-meter swell and wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. In the morning, we can expect a strong northerly wind for Richards Bay, but in Durban, we're expecting a moderate northwesterly wind, and the Wild Coast, a fresh southwesterly wind speeds picking up though in East London. No chance of rainfall here, but still poor beach conditions due to the windy weather forecast. And along the East Coast, we're expecting a 2-meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.